you know CapCut? Think again. The app you're using for simple cuts is hiding professional level power, and most creators are missing out. In 2026, it's not about if you use CapCut, but how well you use it. We're diving deep to unlock the 9 features that will literally change your editing workflow forever. First, we have the 3D effect. Bring assets to the timeline. I choose a background from the library, then I make a freeze frame of it. Delete unwanted video parts across the freeze frame. Then duplicate the Google sign. Then head over to the curves under the Adjust tab. Place the white luma horizontally by dragging it upward. Afterwards, head over to the Basic tab and turn up the exposure and highlight. Now create a compound clip of it. Head over to the Mask section under the Video Basic tab and apply a film strip mask. Make it narrow and rotate it to around 50 degrees. Then drag it away from the symbol. Add some feather as well, then move the playhead to the beginning and add a keyframe here. Place the playhead at the 3-second mark and drag the mask downward. The keyframe will be created automatically. Click right on the last keyframe, choose Show All Presets and select the cubic ease. The sound effect of the dagger will make an awesome feel here. Select the upper 2 clips and create a compound clip. Now we are moving towards 3D effect. Head over to the Combo Animation tab and apply Flip 4. For better vision, turn its scale up. Number 2 is Gradient Text Effect. Add text and stretch it to the 5 seconds mark. Type your desired text and customize its font color and size. Afterwards, duplicate the text. Hide the duplicated text layer and change the color of the first text layer. Now unhide the duplicated text layer. Select the first text layer and head over to the Animation in tab and choose Random Fall. Then set its duration to 1.6 seconds. Repeat the process for the duplicated layer. Afterwards, create compound clips of both layers. Select upper layer, head over to Mask section, and apply Split Mask. Place this mask near the top side of the text, then add some feather. Select both compound clips and create another compound clip. Afterwards, head over to the Effects tab and search for the Glow effect. Add a Glow 2 effect to the timeline and adjust the slider. The effect covers the background also, so I'm going to remove it from the timeline and will drag and drop it onto the compound clip. And here's the final result. Number 3 is the floating effect. I am gonna float a Google sign over here. Decrease its size and place it at the top left corner. Now add a keyframe here. Move the playhead a few frames forward and drag the sign towards the center. Move the playhead near the end of the clip and add another keyframe. Do not change the position of the sign. Now move the playhead to the end of the clip and drag the sign towards the bottom right corner. Preview your animation. Afterwards, head over to the Effects tab and search for the Play Pendulum effect. Drag and drop this effect onto the animation and decrease the strength, twist and sharpen sliders. Set the playhead at the second keyframe position and head over to the Effects tab and search for the black flash effect. Drag and drop this effect and adjust the slider as required. And here is the result. Our next hack is the linkage tool. Click on this drop-down menu and it will take you to this page. Check all 10 boxes and press Done. You can see its color turn to blue. That means it is active. After this activation, all the stickers, effects, and audio files are connected to each clip of the timeline. When you move any clip, all other things will move. Another tool we have on this menu bar is the track magnet. When this tool is active, it will attach all the clips. Turn off the track magnet and you can place clips at any distance. Here you can observe all the elements moving with their clips. Now I'm going to add a new clip between these clips. Going to make it smaller. When I turn on the track magnet, you will see it will bind all of them. Hack number 5 is AI designs. On the top right side, there is a shortcut to AI design. Click on it and it will take you to different AI tools. CapCut's AI designs are amazing, but in this video, we're going to discover YouTube thumbnails. Simply click on it. Another tab will open. On the right side, you will see some prompts. You can use them or generate prompts from ChatGPT. I'm going to delete this default thumbnail and its prompt. Now I'm going to upload a reference image for the thumbnail and I type a simple prompt for it. Take your cup of tea because it will take some time. When the result appears, you can save it from the download button. Hack number 6 is presets. These are shortcuts for your edits. We can create them in CapCut. I added 2 stickers to the timeline. Then I click the right mouse button and I choose Save Preset. This is how you can save these presets. On the top left side, tab of yours is available. Just click on it and you can have your presets. On number 7, we have quick backgrounds. Head over to Libraries and click on the background. Download the background and add it to the timeline. Afterwards, make a freeze frame of it and delete the unwanted part. You can save a video clip as well. Here I want to save an image, so I create a freeze frame. Click right on it and choose Save Preset. Then head over to my Presets tab under the Media section. You can see here your preset. To manage, you can create a folder and drag your preset to it. Hack number 8 is round corners. Head over to Libraries and add a video or image to the timeline. Then go to the Mask section and apply a rectangle mask. Then we make it bigger so that we show the particular image. Then on this very side, we can round its corners. Secondly, we can use the round corner slider. By using this hack, you can speed up your edits. Head over to Libraries again and add another video to the timeline. Right-click with your mouse and choose Copy Attributes. Then select the second video and click right again and choose Paste Attributes. A new window will open. Check all the options, then click on Paste. Now play and preview the results. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know what you want to see next in the comments.